Hello guys, this is Avin Said vlog. So guys, today I show you create Google Drives. Okay, create Google Drives, and you can create Google form from for attendance. Okay, this is very easy way. Today I show you very simple. You need to go your Chrome browser, then you need to search does. Okay, when you click does, this coming Google does. Click your Google does. Already open our Google does. You first need to sign in your Gmail account. I already signed in my Gmail. Okay, when you sign in your Gmail, there have so many options there. So you can make sheet, and you can make from, and you can make there are four options. So I want to make from attendance. Okay, so click from. When you click from, then you can there have so many from also have their themes. You can select one from example. I select this information from. Okay, P C A PCA. Okay, PCA I give from name. Okay, you can description, you can give anything. Okay, you can give any description there, and you can select their name. You can give name or anything. Example, I give their name, name's father. Okay, you can select also. He give name's father names. There have email, there have address, there have phone number, there have comment. Okay, you can put more thing there. You can put also more thing. You need to add more option, or you need to add text. After how to send, you can you select the send. You can select also URL copy, and you can send. Also you can select also the email, by you can send from email. You can change your themes. You can also very easy way you can select themes. You can change also. See, you can change also themes that have also coloring. You can color also. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe our channel.